Hi, just a quick one. I've been given some tools, and a couple are okay. There's a couple of things that do work and a couple of things that don't, and there's some modern ones that are modern. Are these firewood? I This has seen much better days. There's a good Marples blade in there, nice thick blade, great. The cap iron's okay, the wedges, okay. But I think because of these splits and the fact, I think that's firewood. I think that's firewood. And this one, firewood, you tell me. I mean, I've not seen any quite as bad as this. Are they worth rescue? Oh, that isn't even square on the bottom. What do you think? I think they're firewood. Let me know in the comments, firewood or not. I'll keep the irons, but even this iron, when it's right down to the slot, look at that. When even that's, the screws mashed up, the cap iron's not good. We can't keep everything. Let me know in the comments, firewood or not. Simple. Cheers.